Welcome back at Batlik YouTube channel, and this video is we are going to do a tour in a proposed TB unit facility. So as we begin, you can see this is the site. It is a site under construction, and the site under construction, it consists of several blocks. So we have the outpatient TB unit block, we have the inpatient TB block, we have a block called facility block, and then we have the toilet block. So as we go around, I will be showing you these blocks. For a start, when we finish this project, this is how this project is supposed to appear, or this is how this project is supposed to look like. You can see in the photos. So let us go back to our tour. So what you are seeing, this is the outpatient block of the TB unit. So you can see the block is still under construction. So at the end of it, this is how it will appear. So this is the outpatient block for the TB unit. So let us take a tour inside as we go through other blocks, and we see how the project will look like at the end of the construction. So as you can see, this is the outpatient TB unit, and on the outpatient TB unit you can see we have the ramp. We have the ramp that is to the main entrance of the TB unit. Also, as you can see in the photos, we have a ramp and the staircase. So these are the staircase that is to the main entrance of the outpatient block. So remember, this video is because the site is still under construction. That is why you can see we still have materials all over. So this is how the outpatient block will look like. These are the rooms. We have the pharmacy, we have the nurse station room. We have got several rooms. We have the store, we have the triage, but the site is still under construction. So as you can see also in the photo, that is between the outpatient block and the inpatient block, we have a slab canopy that is connecting the two buildings. So I'll be able to show you when I go outside. That is so that you can have a nice view as compared to the photos you can see beside. So we are having the props here. These props are supporting the canopy slab. So we casted the slab recently. That's why we still have these props in place. So let us have an outside view of this outpatient block as it will be compared to the photos that you see. Because at the end of it, at the end of the project, this is what we are supposed to see. So that is actually the outpatient block. You can see the columns that is at the main entrance, the main veranda, the way they also appear on the final photo. So let us go around the site. And please, for those who haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please take your time, subscribe so that you can be updated whenever we upload a new video. So you can see we still have those props there. So that is the canopy, the slab canopy connecting the outpatient block and the inpatient block. So as also compared to the photos, you can see at the end of the project, that is how it's supposed to appear. So you can see this is the inpatient block, the big block, that is the inpatient block. And then we have that slab canopy connecting the two blocks, that is the inpatient and the outpatient. So that is our outpatient. You can see it is still under construction. And then we have also the inpatient, which is still under construction. You can see those window canopies also. So let me show you this side view. This is a side view. This is a side view of the inpatient block. Also view the photos beside. You can see it is coming out the way it's supposed to be. So this is the side view. So at the end of the project, we are supposed to see it the way it appears on the photo. So this is the inpatient block, and I've shown you the outpatient block. So this is the overall site view. So here we are entering the inpatient block, and as we enter the inpatient block, this is an exit. This door is an exit. It is an exit porch. So this will be the wards. Remember that for this inpatient block, we have got separated wards, whereby we have the female wards and the male wards. So this will be the wards. Let me take you through. Thank you for those who have subscribed. Please continue liking, share, and comment. So remember, this is a tour of a proposed TB unit facility. So the side we were, that is the female wards. This will be the male wards. Also, again, you can see it has its exit porch, the same as the other side. So again, you can see, let me show you the side view again of this block. So again, you can see this is the side view or the side elevation of the inpatient block. So again, compared to the photos, you see at the end of the project, this is what we are supposed to get. So you can see the exit porch. Although still we are still doing the construction, we are still doing the finishes, the plaster works. So this is the view. So this is the rear view. This is the back view of the inpatient. That's inpatient block. So this is the rear view, or the back view of the block. So as you can see, we have the window canopies. So these window canopies, you can also compare it to the photos. You will see they look similar. So that is the design that we are following. So this is the rear view of the inpatient block. And then besides that, we have another block adjacent to it. This block is called the facility block. So this facility block will comprise of the battery room, the laundry, the kitchen, and changing rooms. So this is the view of the facility block. At the end of the project, it will appear also like this. And then I will also show you the aerial view of the whole project. So when it comes to this one, this is the toilet block. This is the toilet block. This is how it looks like. You can see the plasterworks, the external plasterworks. It has strips or lines, because that is how it's supposed to be. That is at the end of the project. So this is the toilet block. So the general view of the site, we have the outpatient block, we have the inpatient block at the back side, connected with the canopy slab. That is the outpatient block and the inpatient block. The inpatient block is the bigger one, and then the outpatient block follows. But the main entrance will be at the outpatient block as you get inside. And then besides it, we have the facility block. Let me show you again the facility block, although we are still doing the parapet walling on top of it. So that is whatever you are seeing, that is the facility block. At the end of it, the project is supposed to look like this. And then also adjacent to the facility block, we have the toilet block, and this is the toilet block. So let me take you around as we finish, as we wind up. That is on the tour on our site of a proposed TB unit facility. So this is the back side of the toilet block. So I'm trying to find a place where I can show you an overview of the site. So you can see from this side, this is how it will appear. So we have, that is the toilet. We have the facility block. As you can see, the toilet, which has got strips, plastered strips. We have the facility block, and then behind it we have the inpatient block, and then adjacent the outpatient block. So whatever you can see here, again, this is an excavated area for the septic tank. So all the drainage will be channeled towards this place. So that is the tour. And please, that is the overview of how the project will appear at the end of the project. So when we finish the project, this is what we are supposed to get. This is how the project is supposed to look like at the end of the project. Thank you, and please continue subscribing for more videos.